At siguro isa yon sa nangyari, no?
What is your dream for your center? We know you have the know-how. You are continuously training the youth and even those with no talent whatsoever. After a week or two with you, can dance, can sing, can dance, can come up with festivals. So, what do you dream for your center? Do you please share this with everyone? For all you know, Angelenos being very united and supporting each other can help you in this endeavor of yours.
Alam mo pa, nai-inspire din ako para gumawa ng ganito. Kasi meron na rin mga taong nag-pledge, no? May mga taong gustong tumulong, no? Meron pa nga isang nag-pledge sa amin na gusto kaming bigyan ng piece of land. Yung mga ibang businessmen, they would like to make a project para mag-benefit sa center. Pero alam mo, ang gusto ko talaga, no, kung magkaroon man ng chance, gusto ko talaga magkaroon ng parang isang garden, okay? Isang garden na parang arts and culture garden, na kung saan itong mga bata, okay? Dahil nga na-involve na ako sa mga youth, ano? And gumagawa ako ng mga grupo, ng mga bata na instead na kung ano lang ang gawin nila, okay, meron silang pupuntahan na garden na kung saan naka-exhibit itong mga gamit na ito and they can practice and perform.
I don't think that it's a dream. I mean, that is very workable, doable with the efforts of Angelenos Uniting. I am optimistic that will happen one day and we will support you through it too. I have to say this to all the televiewers. October is coming very soon, and this is our Twin Fiesta, a month-long celebration of our fiesta. And you will see Mr. Peter Rivera's group perform and actively get involved in the festivities. So please let them, invite them as to what can be seen there. Peter?
Marami tayong pwedeng gawin dito sa Angeles, no? At may nagpapasalamat sa administration ngayon, okay, sa tourism, lalo na sa Yopay, no? Tsaka sa mga kasamahan natin sa gobyerno, dahil nabibigyan nga ng chance ngayon ng mga local artists.
And Mr. Peter here also extends his support to all the schools or organizations, NGOs who'd like to learn more about dance. And so please let